Picture this. 1802, the sunny island of Haiti. Napoleon Bonaparte, the most powerful man in Europe, sends a massive army, tens of thousands of his best soldiers, to reclaim the prized colony. They were expecting a fight, but they weren't prepared for their real enemy. This enemy wasn't human. It didn't carry guns or cannons. One by one, soldiers started collapsing. Not on the battlefield, but in their own camps. A terrifying sickness swept through the ranks. It started with a raging fever, then agonizing aches, and soon, uncontrollable vomiting. Their skin turned a ghastly yellow, a horrifying sign of what was to come. This was yellow fever, and it was more devastating than any battle. Transmitted by mosquitoes, it spread like wildfire. Soon, more than half of Napoleon's mighty army was dead, defeated not by bullets, but by a tiny insect. France was forced to abandon its ambitions, a stunning blow that ultimately helped pave the way for Haitian independence.